outro lá, ué. Ouve bem. Here from Australia, because we welcome this young, this very young couple here with this song again, and I hope I still remember it. It's the most famous song in Australia. It was written by Air Supply, sung by Little River Band and AC/DC and whatever, all the way down here, and it goes like this. It's a heavy song, very, very acid heavy. It goes, "Waltz sing Matilda, waltz sing Matilda, you come a waltz sing Matilda with me." And he sang as he was and waited till his belly boiled. You come a waltz sing Matilda with me. Once a jolly Chapman headed by that billabong down by the bend of the old pine tree, and he sang as he was and waited till his belly boiled. You come a waltzing Matilda with me. Yeah, waltzing Matilda, waltzing Matilda, you come a waltzing Matilda with me. And he sang as he was and waited till Superman, man, you see all the game of nowhere. Everybody, there, everywhere. I look at the fuck. Hey, down here, man. Oh, mama, down here, man. Oh, when nobody. What about now? In Ireland, hey, down here, man. Oh, mama, fear. Mighty ocean. Oh, mama, happy birthday, happy anniversary. We are right now, thank you. You know, you look at us and he said, hey, there's a beautiful Tongan boys out there. No, that's BS.
Hell no.
No, they are not Tongans. I'm the only Tongan. This guy here is half Vietnamese, 3/4 Vietnamese, and 4 Samoan. The other guy over there is 3/4 Fijian, 3/4 Australian, and 2/4 Aborigines. So his name is Miley. He's gonna sing for you. No, because I have some friends here, especially for a wedding couple here. I know you back Fijian. Remember your grandfather? That's where Hakame. Hakame is not a Tongan name. Hakame is a Fijian name. There's one Hakame. His name is Miley. He's half Fijian. He's gonna sing for us a very romantic, slow Fijian song for the wedding couple. Miley is not a Tongan name. It's a Fijian name. Ma-ile. That's why it's 3/4. Ma means bread. When you eat lots of bread, your cat goes he. And it's up to you. Now, I ask Miley, please, sing a very special Fijian song for the wedding couple. And then the song is called Meow. In English means meow. In Tongan means, and for those of you who don't speak Fijian, I'm going to translate it for you. All right, boys. honeymoon, honey. All you have to do tonight is say, you go after the hour in Fijian, we always go tingi tingi omalingi. Tingi tingi omalingi means tingi tingi omalingi. A very special song for you, because I know your grandparents went through to the First and the Second World War, and this is a song written about them. It's called Tayo. Tayo means Tay Manofurano Kayo. We continue down to a very special, because we have here another request for a very special Tongan song we have done before. It's called Foipamo. Te pere miha kame. This is a very special song for the young wedded couple tonight.
Whatever.
When you go home, or wherever you go for your honeymoon, always look up.
They're here or not?
Don't look down. That's my advice. I'm a marriage consultant, advisor. Look up, and when you look up, you see the Foipamo. And when you see the Foipamo,
Try not.
you see the Foipamo. And it goes like this. Foipamo is one of the most beautiful